ba kayo? Kinikilig ba kayo? Oh.
Hug me and Princess. Ilan na anak hawak mo?
Ikaw daw. Nagpupo si Princess dito, tapos natapakan ni Katie.
Yeah. I see.
Sorry po.
Ano na lang pagpili? Sa papa mo pabili, babay na. Ito take ako, anak.
Okay, go.
Pero siyang understand.
Check, check. Hey, hey, hey.
Yes.
Our friends from WOW, they saw our live. And nag-email sila sa akin kasi naawa sila sa sound system namin. So they reached out to me and they said, we would like to help you guys out with your new sound system. So the one that messaged me was Jin. So this is Jin over here.
Hi!
Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. I have a gift for you.
Wow, thank you.
This one.
Enjoy.
Yes, this is our top of the line model.
Top of the line
for
WOW
Fiesta
Fiesta.
video.
So you have a new video key system.
Yes.
We have a love letter. Yes, for
Oh.
You know what?
Thank you, baby.
Thank you po.
What's your favorite song?
Delilah.
Delilah.
Oh, Delilah. Yeah, I saw you singing it.
Oh, you have a new video key, baby.
Yay!
Alright.
So ano ba? Friends ba kayo? Kinikilig ba kayo? Oh.
About it fair to look into their eyes. Have you ever found the one you gave me your heart to, only to find that one? What's up, everybody? Nina has taken me to the States twice in the past 5 years.
Yes.
She has such a pure, genuine soul. And I just want to say congratulations, Nina, on your 20th year.
Thank you so much, Chris. So ano ba? Friends ba kayo? Di ba, syempre madaming kinikilig, Chris. Ano ba yan? Kinikilig ba kayo? Oh. So ano, friends kayo? So how can you be lovers if you can't be friends? So friends ba kayo?
Well, of course we're friends. We're just trying to take it step by step.
Oo. Step by the step.
Step by step.
By step.
Pero nakailang steps na siguro.
Nakailang steps na daw siya. Kasi syempre gusto niya lang ano daw? Ano daw?
I love you guys.
Hindi naman I love you yung sinabi nila. May ibang
Sila
sinabi.
si Mr. B daw. Tinatawag ako Mr. B. So,
Okay. Ayun pala. Oh, love you too daw sabi.
love you too.
So alam niya na
In
guys.
Nina's words, love you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, 9, 10. Well, it's always a pleasure singing with Chris
Always a
Lawrence,
pleasure.
everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Tonight.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.